simplest way to solve a Rubik's Cube. All you have to do is just go, wait, just keep doing this, and then all you have to do is go ahead and solve all the cross for the white, which that's pretty simple to solve, just like this. And then you're going to want to go ahead and solve all the whites, just like that. Doesn't really matter as long as you get them all, just like that. Then the next step is basically solving this row, which I think most people can do, which is pretty easy, just like that. It's super simple, just like that. And you just want to go ahead and make sure you get all of them. One more, I think. And that solved all this one, the middle part. Now the next step is solving yellow, which if you can't do that, I don't think you should just put a Rubik's Cube down. Now all you have to do is keep doing the same step over and over again. Just trying to solve this. Bam! You get the yellow. That's simple. Then all you're going to do is twist these two and do that. And boom! You just solved your cube. That's how simple it is. I mean, you really don't have to do anything. You just... super simple. And that's pretty much how you solve your Rubik's Cube.